Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get better at basketball Zero Roblox Mobile. We'll start by covering the fundamental controls. Mastering movement, dribbling, and passing is crucial for success on the court. Pay close attention to the on-screen prompts for shooting and defense. A solid grasp of these basics will lay the groundwork for more advanced techniques, helping you dominate every game you play. Let's dive in and elevate your gameplay. Improving your shooting accuracy is key to scoring big. Always aim for a perfect release on the shot meter. This significantly increases your chances of making the basket. Experiment with various shot types, from close-range layups to long-distance three-pointers, to diversify your offense. Don't forget to use pump fakes to trick defenders and create wide-open looks. Consistent practice will turn you into a scoring machine in no time. Defense wins championships, even in basketball Zero. To effectively guard opponents, stay close and contest their shots, reducing their scoring percentage. Develop your anticipation skills to intercept passes, turning defense into offense. Rebounding is also vital. Position yourself strategically under the hoop to grab both offensive and defensive boards. Securing possession after a missed shot gives your team more scoring opportunities and denies the opponent. Elevate your game with advanced tactics and seamless teamwork. Effective communication with your teammates is paramount for executing successful plays and coordinating defense. Utilize screens to create space for open shots or clear driving lanes to the basket. Always observe your opponent's play style and adapt your strategy accordingly, exploiting their weaknesses. Working together as a cohesive unit will lead to more victories and a truly dominant presence on the court.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.